The sky corridor 天空之道 Prepare those paint tools Paint color PRO0426 Soft blue White 准备好油漆工匠七色 PRO0426 Soft blue White After paint the blue wall dry, prepare white paint, blue paint, brushes and a sponge. 等蓝墙漆干了，准备好白漆、蓝漆、刷了与海绵。Use the brush to sketch out the cloud shape. 用刷子先概述云朵形状。Dip a part of sponge with white paint and start to color it. 一部分的海绵蘸上白漆，开始上色。Now show the detail how to color it by sponge. 现在详细展示如何用海绵帮云朵上色。After the paint dry, clear the paint at door frame. 漆干了后，把门框的漆清理。Sky corridor completed, even at night. Blue sky, white clouds still in my house. 天空之道完成，即使在晚上，我家也能拥有蓝天白云。Remember subscribed. Thank you. 记得你订阅，谢谢。